In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the circular dependency detected error in Google Sheets. This error often occurs when formulas refer back to their originating cells, causing an endless loop. Solving this issue is straightforward once you understand the basic steps involved. So let's dive into it. First things first, open up your Google Sheet. Once you're in, navigate to the Reference tab and click on cell A1. Here, you'll be entering a simple formula to set the stage for tackling this error. Type in the formula equals B1, referred to as is cells B1. This action is crucial because it mimics a situation where circular references could commonly occur, allowing us to understand the debugging process better. Now, click on the overlapping tab and then move over to cell D2. In this cell, we'll insert another formula to sift through our data. Enter the formula equals filter parentheses A2 colon C, comma C2 colon C greater than 1, written as als filter A2 C C2 C1. Pressing enter will execute this formula and help highlight any data that matches our criteria. Next, click on the Sum tab and navigate to cell A6. In cell A6, we'll implement a formula that sums up certain values, which is quite typical in spreadsheet calculations. Type in equals sum parentheses A1 colon A5 or is sum A1 A5. Hitting enter will sum the values in these cells, but we need to ensure it doesn't inadvertently create a circular dependency. These actions bring awareness to how easily circular dependencies can sneak into a sheet. If you're doing numerous calculations with references, identifying these problematic areas becomes vital. So how do we fix a circular dependency if we come across one? First, you must review the formulas to ensure none are referring back to their own cells or chains of cells that eventually loop back in a circle. One way to troubleshoot is by isolating or reworking formulas to break the circular reference. You could break calculations into separate pieces or rely on helper columns for intermediate calculations. When in doubt, use Google Sheets' help function to inspect and walk through formula relationships. This tool can often reveal hidden circular chains you may not have considered. Through patience and methodical review, circular dependency errors can be resolved efficiently, ensuring your spreadsheet remains accurate and robust for all future analyses. In practice, this means keeping formulas clear and intentional to avoid these Excel-like pitfalls. Remember, attention to detail in formula structure goes a long way toward preventing these errors altogether. So next time you see that frustrating circular dependency warning in Google Sheets, don't worry. Take a moment to follow these steps, and you'll be back on track in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy spreadsheeting!